So let me do a withdrawal, 141.30, click withdraw, select USDC coin, select the network. I'm going to do the Binance Smart Chain and paste my wallet address in there. Click continue. I'm going to withdraw the max, which is 141. Click withdraw. I need to put my Google Authenticator into here, so let me just get that off my phone. Click continue. And that's now pending and waiting to hit my wallet. My balance should go down to 0. There you go. That's the first part of the withdrawal on its way. So if I go over to finances, I can see that that withdrawal there is pending. So now let me check my wallet. As you can see there, the USD's come in and it was added there. You can see it there. That's another payment that I added. So there's that payment. Now what I want to do is exchange that up for pounds, because I want this to be in my pounds account. At the moment I've got just £12 in this account, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the crypto, click on the USDC, scroll down and click on exchange. So you can see now I've exchanged that up for Great British pounds. And so if I go back over to my stable coins tab, you can now see that I've got £134. And that's how easy it is to do a withdrawal and spend your crypto. Now, if you'd like to set up a trading bot and you've not done already, and you want to create an account with AURUM, below this video, you can find a link. It's going to take you over to a page where you pop in your email address, and then I'm going to send you this page here, which is a page to show you how to get set up. There's a video presentation, mind-blowing. That presentation will blow your socks completely off. I've got videos to show you how to get set up. I've also got a video there showing you that I did a withdrawal. So if you're interested in earning up to 18.5% returns average on a month, then click the link below this video and I'll show you how to get set up with this amazing business. You have a great day and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Bye now.